In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view Slack analytics. If you're a team leader or just someone who wants to understand your team's engagement and communication patterns better, viewing Slack analytics is immensely helpful. It provides insights into how your team operates and can help guide your management decisions. Let's walk through the process together to make it as simple as possible. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and navigate to the Slack website. Once there, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll find the option to sign in. If you're already logged into Slack, you might already be familiar with this part. Instead of filling in your email and password manually, click on Sign in with Google. This option is not only faster but ensures a seamless integration if your workspace uses Google Workspace. After signing in, you'll be directed to the Slack dashboard. This is your command center where all your Slack usage takes place. Here, you should see various channels, direct messages, and workspace functions. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new to Slack. Next, head over to your profile, which you can find at the top right corner of the dashboard. Clicking on your profile icon will display a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for and click on Tools and Settings. This section houses various workspace customization options and settings adjustments. It's where you manage integrations, notifications, and access workspace-specific tools. Once in the Tools and Settings section, scroll to find an option labeled Workspace Analytics. Selecting this will open a window dedicated to analytics features. This section is your gateway to unraveling rich insights into how often team members are communicating, what kind of messages are flying around, and which channels see the most activity. Finally, locate and click on Analytics. This is where the magic happens. The analytics dashboard compiles data and presents it in a way that's easy to digest. Here, you can explore different metrics such as message activity, channel trends, and user engagement. These metrics are invaluable for understanding how your team interacts on Slack and for identifying both strengths and weaknesses in your communication strategies. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you now have the ability to dive deep into Slack analytics. Whether you're looking to optimize your workspace or just want a clearer picture of your team's interactions, these analytics can be a game changer in your approach to team management. Happy analyzing, and I hope your newfound insights lead to even more productive and effective communication within your team.